hair is from my first wig, and I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing as well as install and styling just to show you guys what we are working with. And in the box they sent the wig cap as well as this accessories bag that contains all the essentials that you would need to install this unit and get the ball rolling. So if you're a first time wig user, then this is going to be easy and a walk in the park for you. So here we do have the details of the hair as well as the journey of the brand and a quick tutorial guide as well. Now this is the unit we're going to be working with. This unit is so beginner friendly. This is what the wig cap looks like and the lace looks like, guys. This is a bob wig. It is a Yaki bob wig and this is in the length 10 inches. It came pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-plucked, ready for you to install. So if you're a beginner, this is going to be a walk in the park for you. Now it did come with an adjustable strap, so you can adjust this to fit the head and to kind of make it feel comfortable. So this is a Yaki blunt cut bob glueless wig, and it also has an invincible melted lace, guys. Basically it melts on every skin color and it looks amazing. So I'm gonna quickly install this on and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Now installing this is so easy. All you have to do is just put it on and you are ready to go. So if you're a first time wig user, this is going to be easy peasy. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. The lace is pre-styled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-ready to use, and you guys can see how this simply melts. Again, it is a glueless wig, so you do not have to glue it down and you can literally be out the door. But guys, you know me, you know we're going to be styling this unit. We're going to be giving it the best so that way you guys can see the fullest potential of this hair. I'm going to show you guys what this lace looks like. Literally, where is the lace? I haven't glued this down, melted, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now my only concern was the sides, so what I'm going to be doing is to quickly fix this up. But guys, because this is a center part, you don't have to do this. You can leave it as it is and it would cover it up because it's a center part. But I just wanted to get that sleek, professional, effortless look, and I'm going to be using a holding spray. You can easily wash this off and you can take this off immediately. So I kind of also wanted to show the versatility of this unit, so I'm just going to be using a little bit of holding spray and just holding this down so that way we can get like that frontal look and melted look, and it just looks effortless. So I'm just pressing this down on the sides. This usually takes me about 2 minutes to do because again, this lace melts so easy. I don't know how to explain it to you, but it was so easy to install this frontal. It felt like I was installing a closure but in a frontal form, and it just melted effortlessly. I didn't have to use any powder to melt it down, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. So what I'm going to be doing now is to just straighten this hair but still give it that bump, that bob look. So I'm just straightening it down and then bumping it at the end just so it curves into my face and it gives that bob effect. Right now, this is what I'm looking like right now. Look at what we just melted on the sides. Looks beautiful, guys. I haven't applied any product to the lace, no powder, no nothing, literally just a little bit of that glue to help melt it down. And look at how this just melts into my skin. It feels like, I don't know how to explain, but this lace literally, it is what it says it is. It is an invincible melting lace, and that is what it is. So again, I'm using my hair straightener just to straighten his hair, and I'm gonna bump it as well. And this is giving like boss babe, boss lady, grown, mature, sophisticated, effortless, expensive, and all of that, but without doing too much. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm using this wax stick, just a little bit of it, just to further style this hair and to sleek it down, because this is a Yaki texture. You do know Yaki texture has a bit of more volume and texture to it. I'm going to be using the wax stick to kind of just help, you know, style the hair and get it looking the way that I want it to look. Okay, so take your time while doing this. Once you styled your hair, using it the next time is a lot easier. So that's what I'm doing right now, just getting it the way that I want it to look. So yeah. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this look, and guys, this is the final look. This is what the hair looks like on me. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it is giving a boss babe, boss chick, CEO. I'm classy, I'm effortless. I am just that woman. And look at the lace. It is melted, it is blended, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Look at that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, this hair is from my first week. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Be sure to check it out. Thank you, my first week, for sending this gorgeous unit to me. And yeah, kisses. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.